Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to run Google Ads for Shopify. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step which I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. The first step which you need to do, obviously you need to log into your Shopify account. And once you are over here at your home page, on the left side of the menu at the bottom you will find settings, and after that you need to find apps and sale channels. Once you click on that, at the top right corner we have Shopify App Store. Click on this and it will open up a new window where you can see all the applications for Shopify. If you scroll down, the first thing you will see Google and YouTube. This is the one which we are going to install and it's free to install. Click on this one, and if you don't find that, obviously you can search that at the top as well. But obviously you can find that over here right away, and in my opinion on every single platform or any single other Shopify account if you are using, you will see that at the top because this is widely used application. This is the one which we are going to use. First of all, you just need to install this, and after that it will open up in a new window, and you need to connect this to your Shopify. It will ask for the permission and you just need to click on install at the bottom right corner. As you can see, once you click on install, it will redirect you to the page where you are going to connect your Google account to Shopify. As you can see on the left side of the menu, we have Google and YouTube, and you can pin this if you want. This will end up over here, so it will not go away. And here you can just need to click on connect Google account. From here you just easily connect your Google account. Once you connect your Google account to your Shopify, the next step would be open your Google Ads. This is where you will end up. And obviously you can search that to Google search bar, Ads Google. The first thing you will see something like this. Just click on this one and it will open up this one. This is where you are going to start working on your Google Ads. We have connected our Google account to our Shopify. Now we just need to click on start now on Google Ads. Once you click on start now, it will open up something like this. Make sure to do setup two-step verification. This is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to meet you at the dashboard after doing all these stuff. Once you does all this two-step verification, you need to enter your phone number and verify your phone number. You will end up over here. Here you can see right away, you will see your campaigns over here. Right now we don't have any campaigns, so that's why we cannot see anything. On the left side we have overview, inside reports. Inside reports, we all know all the analytics of your campaigns will be over here, your campaigns will be over here, audience and keyword and content would be over here, and you can change the history. And on the left side we have goals, tools, billing, admin. Obviously we are not going to talk about them right now because this is very different tutorial. Right now we are going to talk about how you can run Google Ads for Shopify, right? At the top we have overview, and this is where you will see all the overview of your work. Here you just need to click on new campaign and it will open up something like this. Your objective. There are so many objectives related to your campaign. Right now we are going to create a campaign of ads. So obviously they are asking you why you need to create a campaign. What are the objectives? So we have sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, awareness, and local store visits and promotions. And right last one would be create a campaign without a goal guidance. So you can go with this one, but in my opinion you should tell Google actually that what is the campaign objective. So we have sales over here, you can also go for that. In my opinion this is one of the good for your store. We have website traffic. If you want to gather traffic of the people of on your website, you can also do that from this one. And obviously we can make multiple campaigns later on, and I'm going for this one. And if I click on sales, at the bottom you will see select a campaign tab. We have so many campaign tabs like shopping, display, performance max, search, and we have video, demand gen. We all know what is search. Search engine optimization, we all know, is one of the biggest thing which you need to do once you are creating your store. So I'm going with this one. We have the first thing. Once you click on this campaign tab, select the ways you'd like to reach your goal. We have website visit, phone calls, store visits, and app downloads. We have website right now. Now, here you just need to enter your website. What is your website? Obviously Shopify, right? Go ahead and copy that and paste that over here. After that, we have choose your sales conversation goals. This is the most important thing out there in my opinion. So Google right now asking for you to select your conversion goal. That means that you want to show your ad to who and why you want to show those ads to those people. And you can see under those descriptions, show your ads to people who are most likely to buy products from your website. The next one is purchase subscription, add to cart, and begin checkout. You can go either any one of them. Right now, I'm going with this one. I want my people to visit my website to buy products. So click on this one. And the last one is campaign name. Obviously, you need to name your campaign. And after that, make sure to turn on enhanced conversion. Make sure to click on agree and continue. After that, once you are happy with your campaign settings, this will open up keywords and ads. Keywords is one of the most important thing out there. What is keyword? Let's say if I go to Google and search for shirts only, and you will see shirts for men, shirt and tie, shirt printing near me, shirt printing in my location. Once you click on shirt, you will see something like this. So these are some things which you need to understand, that these are the keywords over here, whatever the people is searching on Google search. So you need to enter that over here. Enter the URL and obviously enter the keywords which you think that can be used for your product. After that, you just need to scroll down and you will see your final URL over here. On the right side, you will see the preview, how it's going to look like. You can change the headline, you can add headlines. We have description. If you want to add your description, you can also do that for specific campaign. So make sure to look at that. We have business names and logos. You can get that as well. We have site links, we have call outs. There's a lot of stuff which Google is providing you right now. After that, click on next, and here you are going to enter the budget, your daily budget, how much you are going to spend, and click on next. Once you click on next, this will go into the review. Once you create your campaign, go ahead and click on inside. This is where you are going to see your week overview and everything whatever you are getting related to your ad campaign. Once you connect your Shopify, you just need to do all the stuff on your Google Ads. There's nothing extra you need to do. This is how you can run ads on Google for Shopify. This is one of the best thing you can do, and as much as you want to create a campaign, you can create as much, like infinite amount of campaigns. At the top you can select them from over here as well. If you have multiple campaigns, we can filter them out as well, like you want to search only for those campaigns for have shirts, so you can do that as well over here. You can search them from over here. Right now I have none over here, that's why it's not showing anything, so that's why. That's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.